Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cranberry orange pie. Cranberry and orange is a really great combination, so I figured why not make it into a pie. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 450 degrees. And place the baking sheets into the oven while it's preheating, and it will help prevent the pie from coming out underbaked on the bottom. Then in a medium saucepan, add the fresh cranberries. Make sure you wash them too. And add in the orange zest and orange juice. And place the saucepan over a medium-high heat and heat the mixture until it starts to boil, stirring it occasionally. Once it's starting to boil, place the lid on top and heat it for another 3 minutes, again stirring it occasionally. Then after 3 minutes, remove it from the heat and place it into a large bowl and let it cool to room temperature. Once it's cooled to room temperature, add in some more cranberries and mix them in until they're well combined. And add in the sugar, cornstarch, and salt, and mix them together until they're combined. Then pour the filling into a chilled pie crust. I showed you how to make this pie crust in a previous video, and I'll link to it in the description box. Then roll out some more pie crust. And the design for the top of the pie is up to you. I'm choosing to use this tool that I have. Then trim off any excess crust from around the edges. And brush the top with some milk, or you can use an egg wash, and it will give it a nice golden brown color when it bakes. And place the pie into the oven on top of the baking sheet and bake it for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, turn the oven temperature down to 350 and bake the pie for another 30 to 40 minutes. And once it's ready, remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 15 minutes, and you can serve it while it's still warm if you like. And that's how to make cranberry orange pie. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.